What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. My name is Troy, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to set up any GIF as a live wallpaper. Like as you can see right here on my background, I set up this Batman GIF as a live wallpaper, and I think it's really cool. So without further ado, let's begin. First things first, what you're gonna need to download is this app that's called Gif Live Wallpaper. I'll have it linked down in the description below for you guys. So it's a really easy app to use. Now for this demonstration in this video, I'm actually gonna be using this GIF, this Nike GIF, as you can see right here. I'm gonna be using this. So what you're gonna need to do now is, once you have this Gif Live Wallpaper downloaded, open it up, and then once it's loaded, click on this import section here, and then import any GIF that you want. You can import any GIF that you want online. So I'm gonna import the Nike one, and it's important to readjust the GIF to, I'm just gonna click it to hold it to the edges right here. Now as you can see right here, I have the Nike GIF adjusted, but the background, it's not matching the background. So what you're gonna need to do is you click on this color option right here, which has three dots with three different colors. Click on it, select this pencil, this copy tab here, select it, and then select the color that you want to use. Basically this Nike GIF has a black background, so I'm just gonna click any black background like so, and as you can see, the background has been changed. Now for you to change it, before I change anything, you can do whatever you want with the app. You can rotate it to a 90-degree angle. You can rotate it, you can readjust to any position you want. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and the next thing is you're gonna click on this tick button, like this done button, and it's gonna prepare. Okay, as you can see, now our wallpaper, our live wallpaper is going to look like this. So you select set wallpaper, and then select it as home and lock screen. Once you have it selected, you have to also close the ads. Okay, once you have it selected, as you can see right here, click on the home button. As you can see, we now have a GIF, and that's basically how you set any GIF as a live wallpaper. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what you think about this video, and also comment any suggestions if you have any suggestions of videos, or also if you run into any problems, comment down. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.